Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to quickly find any word meaning in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as Lookup or Pop-up Dictionary. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it and just tap on install to install this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now just keep tapping on this right arrow. Wait for a few seconds. So now you will see here a tons of options, so available plugins. So the first one, that is the WordNet dictionary, which works offlinely, is already being available for you. So you can download the other also if you want to use the other one, but they are mostly online plugins. So below you can see some important instruction, like some instructions you can read below if you want to read. So I'll just click on OK right now. So just move back, click on OK. Now you will see here on the below again one more important notifications. Here the pop-up on the tapping lookup is available device with Android 10 plus, and below you can see pop-up on copy is not available for Android 10 and above because Google has removed clipboard monitoring for all apps. So kindly note this one. Now click on got it. Now you're good to go. You can just minimize this. Now let us open any application. You can open any applications, or web browser or any other application, whichever you want to open. So let me open the Chrome web browser. Say I have opened one word. So you can see here, say I want to search a meaning of this development. So I'll just select this development. Now after selecting the respective word, so I want to search directly from this application. So you can see here on the right corner a three dot icons, right? Just tap on it. Now you will see one new options being added, that is a lookup, which we have recently installed. Just tap on it. Now you can see the word meaning of the development. You can see here. So you don't need to open or move to the other applications in order to find the word meaning of the respective words. So you can directly find the word meanings from the active application which you are using. So let us try with other words. So let me try to search for other words also. So let me try to find out word meaning of this agency. So once again do the same thing, click on this lookup, so you can get the agency word meaning. So this application will let you find the word meaning from any application, whichever applications you are using. Just select that respective word and select this option lookup, and you will get your respective word meanings. So in my opinion, it's a very cool applications which will let you quickly find any word meaning in any Android smartphones or tablets very quickly. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.